Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. So people have been asking me to share a vlog and to actually see that how the real homeschool day runs. And I was thinking about it, but I realized that either I can teach or either I can make a video. So that's not possible for me, but it's still I understand that you want to see the execution part of a school. So not real time, but I can share the bits and pieces of the execution part, because planning I've showed you how I choose a curriculum, how I assign the work, how I plan the school work, but how it gets done, some bits and pieces which I do that I'm going to share. So today I'm focusing on my elder one who is turning 9-year-old. I have already showed her curriculum part, but now today I'm sitting at her desk. She sits on an independent desk, like proper desk, to do the school work, because she doesn't need much hand holding of mine. So she likes her independent work, independent table, and actually she's very finicky about her stuff. So this is a table. This is just next to our kitchen. It's a common window, and this is the caddy, which is nothing but just a file folder she has, where I put the curriculum or the workbooks which are expected for her to do. It is her kit, because 2 kids, right? So in the morning there are a lot of fights. मेरी pencil है, उसने ले ली, उसका eraser उसने मेरा ले लिया. So this is which is assigned to her. This is only for school work. We have different caddies and for coloring pencils and random pencils and all that, but this is only for school work and eraser and ruler, which nobody is allowed to touch and to be used in the school time. And then I just showed you there are these workbooks and all, whatever. But what I did not show you, and which is basically my tracking mechanism, is this notebook. So this is nothing special notebook. See, I am not like homeschooling mothers have planners and beautiful stickers and everything. I don't have any of that. I do my planning on my own diary, and this is a planning notebook for my elder one. Again, very DIY thing. So this is a notebook which she likes, spiral one. So we do everything on this book. If she's doing maths and she wants some rough paper to calculate, or I have to explain something, so I just take her this notebook. So this is, you can say, a rough notebook. You can say if you want to draw something, write something randomly, she does everything like that. So this is a random notebook. What I do on this one is, I'll show you for this week. Do you see this one? I'll ask it to focus, do you think? So this is our tracking mechanism. This is where I assign her the school work for the week. So like this page is for this week. I'm shooting it on a Sunday night, so nothing is done here. And like this is what is a completed one for the last week. Can you see? So see, there are ticks when things get done, and because it is when you have just assigned it, there is no ticks. So this is my simple tracking mechanism. So basically we need a lot of tracking, considering we are out on 2 or 3 days a week. We have plans like sometimes play dates with friends, sometimes museum tours, sometimes we are just going out, taking a break, just like that, for no reason. Or sometimes I just feel like I need more coffee, so I go to my coffee places and take the schooling along with me. We do schooling at IKEA or schooling at McD at times. So I plan all of that, and it is in my planner obviously, but I plan in their notebook also. So for example, first let's talk about the subjects assigning. We do not do all the subjects every day, okay? Again, I check what is the content. Like if this is a science book, okay, we are almost done, 2 chapters left, and I look through the, like we are supposed to do 1 chapter per day. I look through it and I realize that is the topic being difficult, she will need a lot of my help, or she's like, she can go through it. Like if it's a topic of living things, non-living things, I know she can do it like tuck, 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 tuck. She doesn't need me. But if we are talking about maybe light, maybe heat, maybe some water, plants and all, which is like even I don't know, then I know that this is a heavy subject or heavy topic for her that day. So accordingly I have looked at it, what is left. So if you see, let's focus on Monday. So this is, if you can see, focus, did focus. So basically I am waiting. Okay, so this one is Monday. We are doing maths. So maths we do every day. You see the boxes. Science we are doing 2 days. So why these 2 days, that I'll tell you. And this again, nothing except maths and science, we are not doing anything on Monday. So cursive we are not doing this week. Again, why, I'll tell you. We have English, and we have lab book, and we have Hindi. These are the 5 subjects we are doing: maths, science, English, lab book, Hindi for this week. Okay, last week we did cursive. This week we are not, because we are out 3 days in this week. Monday we are out from 2 o'clock. Like from 1 o'clock we have to be out. We have to be somewhere at 2 o'clock. Tuesday again we will be out near about 1 o'clock. We have to be somewhere at 2 o'clock. Wednesday full day we are at home. Thursday again we are meeting someone. I have to be there at 2 o'clock. So basically we have only 1/4 of a day kind of, because kids are waking up at 8 o'clock. So by 12 o'clock we need to be done with whatever is scheduled for that day. And Friday we are at home. So you know, I know I mean, like, how much time we will really have in hand and how much can I expect from kids, because I don't want to be fighting or pushing or pressurizing, but I want them to be accountable कि ये स्कूल वर्क है, ये तो खत्म होगा, उसके बाद ही हम जाएंगे. And I have been a very strict and maybe cruel mom at times, that I have cancelled on last minute. If the work is not done, we are not going, or we are taking the stuff with us in bus or in metro, and you will finish all this work before we start our class or tour or anything. So you can say the strictness, or you can say this accountability. So like Monday morning she'll get up. I have written what is expected also. If you can see, on Monday we have Yakult tour. Yakult is the probiotic drink which is manufactured here. So it's a homeschool factory tour. So we are going there. So I have written for Monday we have Yakult tour. So our day ends at 12 o'clock. I have mentioned the time clearly, very clearly. 12 o'clock a day ends. Tuesday we have Park Hoppers. It's a homeschoolers play meet. So that also we have to be there at 2 o'clock. So we have to leave at about 1 because it's pretty far. So whatever else is happening that day, I have mentioned them here. So you can say I have planned their week, explained, written. So Monday morning they know that Monday she has to do maths and she has to do science. And maths she knows that she has to do 4 pages, science she knows she has to do 1 unit. That individually I have, you know, labeled on the chapters. Like if you want to see, this is the science part. So I have written it already. You can see I am here, it's written day. So she knows that every day 1 chapter has to be done. So like that is assigned. And she knows we have a Yakult tour. So the timeline is 12 o'clock. So Monday morning I explained them today morning that, you know, next week is going to be very hard and we have these many expectations and this is what each term means. And now Monday morning she has to make sure her maths get done and science gets done, and then she'll submit that work to me. It is her duty to bring the work to me that mom, I'm done, and then I will check it, and this all has to be done, checked, completed by 12 o'clock. So this is accountability, that I am not going to tell कि अच्छा maths कर लो, अच्छा science कर लो, अच्छा ये करा तुमने. I mean, I also don't remember कि you know what all assigned, and make sure that whatever I want things to get done, right? If they are workbooks, they have to get done. That is how I plan. So on Tuesday again morning she'll check up. Okay, we have a Park Hoppers and it's okay, mama has written the time 1 o'clock, so I have time till 1 o'clock to finish the work. Okay, what is expected? On Tuesday we have to do maths. So maths she can do herself. Lab book and Hindi she needs me, because again lab book needs a lot of you know, sentence formation and discussion. So again she knows the expectations, and only if this all work get done, then only she can go and get ready and we'll leave. If this work is not done, she knows we are not leaving. So that is accountability she has. And accordingly, so if I have some project assigned to them, so we are starting the project slowly and slowly, whatever projects we make. So I also have assigned for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there's a project I have written here, that only project 111. So in 3 days they have to finish a project, but like on Thursday we are going out. So again, you plan your day. I am telling till 2 o'clock this work to be done, but projects which can, you know, carry forward to next day, maybe we come back and do it. Project I'll be getting on Friday evening. Friday we are home all day, so we'll be you know, we have time to wrap up and help each other and everything. But by Friday evening, 5 o'clock is my deadline time. All these things have to be checked. If all these are checked, okay, everything goes fine. If things are not checked, then Friday evening part does not happen, because after 5 o'clock I don't help. That is the rule. So this helping thing, this is not much needed in Sanvi's case. She does very independently, but this helping thing will come when I talk about my younger one. She needs a lot of hand holding as of now, but I'm just telling you, this is how scheduled I update my kids. They know what is expected from them, they do it, then they submit to me, I check it out, and then we go for the rest of the day, or if outing or something. And Friday 5 o'clock everything has to be checked in. And yeah, that's how I keep a track, accountability, and make sure that, you know, things are getting done in this house. And that's all for my elder one, because my younger one is a little different, that I'll tell you later. But yeah, so while they are doing all this work, also when they are doing all this work, what am I doing? That's so important. I read aloud. That's the only reason I can read aloud. Like sometimes we are reading one book a week nowadays, because when she's doing this work, I'm reading, we are talking, we are discussing, and it's not that, you know, she has very much peace of mind. So this whole setup is our living room. Here is my kitchen. I'm usually cooking or cleaning, or usually I'm sitting on that side of where is the sofa, where is the fan, and I read aloud. If she needs any help, usually she doesn't, but if she needs some help, she walks over to me, or I walk over to her and just check, okay, all things going fine. So just telling you, that's how the day rolls for my elder one, that works are assigned and I get accountability at the end of the day. So hope it makes sense to you also, and I'll share in the next video what I do for my younger one. And till then, see you later. Bye bye.